Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to disable OneDrive. Okay, so disable means without any software from registry. So click to start and type run, open it, type the registry and then click to OK. After that click to yes. So this is your registry. Then guys, first method, you have to take the backup of your registry. So click on file and export. After that type any name of your registry and then select the locations and then save. So this is your registry backup. Suppose if you want to restore, otherwise this is file, import, and this select and then click to OK. Okay, so it will restore it. Okay, then next, how to block the OneDrive look. Okay, so local machine, software, extract, then policies, then Microsoft, Windows, find out OneDrive. Okay, so if OneDrive one folder is not showing here, so no worry, just right click the Windows and click on new and then click the key. Okay, then type O capital 1 D drive and then hit open. So select this folder OneDrive, then right click in this and new and then click to DWRA30.value and then type disable, D capital I S A V L E F file as sync N G S. Okay, and then right click modify and this is remove the 0 and enter the value is 1, then click to OK. Okay, so after that restart your system and then please check it.